Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever this finds you at the time of day watching this video. I'd like to welcome you to Heritage Ranch in Fairview. It's a beautiful community, and we are wrapping up this project that features a lot of stonework. We've got columns, flagstone steps, and a patio. This is all Oklahoma flagstone or Oklahoma chop stone with luter's cap on these columns. What we haven't finished yet, it's in process, is bringing in wrought iron rails or ornamental iron rails that will span from the bottom level up to the top to assist the homeowner in walking down these stairs. So we're on top of the flagstone patio that we built also. I want you to take a close look at the colors of this Oklahoma flagstone, and in particular to the joints of each stone. This is like a puzzle. It's artwork for sure when our stone guys are doing this, and so the closer the joint, the better the structure of the patio. This is pretty important. We are today finishing up with mulching. You're going to see some mulch bags laying around, and we're going to go to this back corner where we have also done this stone edging around this corner bed. There's another duplicate bed in the other corner. This is Oklahoma chopped stone. It is laid with a footing in concrete rebar for security for our ever-shifting ground here in the North Texas region. If you're looking to have any type of stonework done, please let me know. Give me a call to discuss what your needs are. Love to do that. Thank you.